Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best jigsaws of 2025. The tools that stand out this year for power, precision, and performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a weekend woodworker, or a professional looking to upgrade your toolkit, this list has something for you. I've compared their cutting accuracy, build quality, ease of use, and value for money to bring you the most reliable options available right now. And as always, you'll find all the product links listed down in the description so you can check the latest prices and pick the one that fits your needs. Let's jump right into it. 5. Makita JV0600K. Experience precision and speed like never before with our high-performance jigsaw. Equipped with a powerful 6.5 amp motor and 3 orbital settings, plus straight cutting, it delivers faster, cleaner, and more accurate cuts across a variety of materials. The variable speed control dial, 500/3100 SPM, lets you match the speed perfectly to your project, while the through-the-body dust port keeps your workspace clean when connected to a vacuum. Its counterbalance system reduces vibration for smoother operation, and the toolless blade change system makes swapping blades quick and effortless, so you can spend more time cutting and less time prepping. 4. Black Decker BDE-JS 600C. Discover the ultimate cutting performance with our high-performance electric jigsaw. Powered by a 5-amp motor, this jigsaw delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute, making every cut fast, smooth, and precise. Featuring curve control technology, with 4 curve settings, you gain maximum control for perfectly rounded cuts every time. Whether you're tackling straight, intricate, or angled cuts, this tool handles it all, including beveled cuts up to 45 degrees for professional results. The adjustable shoe with a built-in wire guard ensures enhanced stability and a clear line of sight, giving you total confidence and accuracy with every cut. Perfect for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, this jigsaw combines power, precision, and versatility in one compact tool. Upgrade your workshop today and experience effortless cutting like never before. 3. Craftsman V20. Upgrade your woodworking game with the Craftsman V20 Cordless Jigsaw Kit, CMCS 600D1. Designed for precision and versatility, this powerful jigsaw features 3 orbital settings and speeds of up to 2,500 SPM, allowing you to tackle straight cuts, curves, and intricate patterns with ease. The cordless design gives you unmatched mobility, perfect for workshops, job sites, or DIY projects around the house. With the included V20 battery and charger, you'll enjoy long-lasting power without interruptions. Its ergonomic grip and tool-free blade change make every cut smoother and faster, reducing fatigue during extended use. Whether you're cutting wood, plastic, or thin metal, this jigsaw delivers professional quality results every time. Don't let cords hold you back. Experience the freedom, speed, and precision of the Craftsman V20 Cordless Jigsaw Kit today and bring your projects to life with confidence. 2. Bosch JS470E. Upgrade your woodworking game with this versatile 4-in-1 jigsaw designed for both comfort and precision. The ergonomic top handle with soft grip areas ensures a solid, fatigue-free hold, while the toolless blade change system and blade ejection lever make swapping blades safe and effortless, even when they're hot. Tackle any cutting task with the 4 orbital action settings, offering everything from smooth to aggressive cuts. Take full control with the variable speed dial and accelerator trigger, plus an ambidextrous lock-on button for steady, comfortable operation. Built for stability, the jigsaw features a large die-cast foot with steel insert and a multi-directional blade clamp for a secure grip on T-shank blades. Its precision-machined plunging system and low-vibration design deliver unmatched accuracy and smooth performance on every cut. This complete kit comes with everything you need: the jigsaw itself, a non-marring overshoe, an anti-splinter insert, a T-shank blade, a bevel wrench, and a convenient carrying case. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, this jigsaw combines power, control, and safety to handle all your cutting projects with confidence. 1. DeWalt 20V Max XR. Looking for a cordless jigsaw that combines power, precision, and ease of use? This brushless motor jigsaw delivers efficient performance and longer runtime compared to the DCS 331, making tough cuts easier and faster. Its compact design ensures a comfortable grip and maximum control, while the bright LED illuminates dim work surfaces for improved visibility. With a variable speed trigger and dial, you get precise control for every cut, and the all-metal, lever-action keyless blade system allows for quick T-shank blade changes. The integrated dust blower keeps your cutting line clear, and the 4-position orbital action gives you control over cut quality and speed. Adjustments are simple with the all-metal, keyless shoe bevel, featuring detents at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and a positive stop at 45 degrees. The Nomar shoe cover protects surfaces from scratches, and the Jigsaw's T-shank blade compatibility ensures professional results with optimal holding power. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this jigsaw is built to handle every task with efficiency, accuracy, and convenience. Perfect for precise cuts, smooth edges, and effortless operation every time. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best jigsaws of 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect tool for your projects. If you want to check out any of these jigsaws, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. See you in the next video.